right? I know it's down this hallway. There's Zelda's. Yeah. Yeah. They're soft. What are soft? Oh my God. Well, he's a Mario. What color is it? Yellow for you. What am I? White? Blue? What are we? What? You've never seen Mega Man? He's like a robot. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here we go now. Okay. If you haven't been to a Super Bowl, Spirit Bowl, I haven't been to a Super Bowl either. If you've never been to a Spirit Bowl, it's quite fun. Get your cheering, get your colors. Oh yeah, I heard that. It was fun. I don't know if they're going down this year, but I isn't that like the main one? So like last year the main one was bigger than the yeah, that was oh well. So what do they call the mini? Well, maybe we're trying to get bigger and then it didn't happen. Sometimes we get told no on stuff. I saw the picture of you with the from the all right, here we go. So, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this is our goal today. 2.2. You guys get to see my lovely face twice and it gets cut off. I mean, two times things get cut off. Isn't that bad? Somebody made me a meme of that too. Somebody put like, when you're all excited for Christmas, but yet you still have one thing to do because of my face. Okay, what do we have to have when we have adding or subtracting fractions in general? What do you got, Travis? Common denominator. I can't do it like Arnold did, but I think every time I see the fractions, I think Arnold or okay? So, this side, and I also call them about, you guys know what keeping up with the Joneses means? What does that mean? Anybody know what that means? It's a finance thing, yeah. Yeah. For example, x plus 3, he's a truck. X minus 2, he's a sports car. So, what does this guy want? He wants to keep up with the Joneses, so he wants the sports car, doesn't he? So what does he want? He wants an x minus 2, huh? So therefore, it's what? We got to do it top and bottom because once again that's timesing by 1, correct? Yes. Okay. What does this guy want? He's like, oh no, you didn't. You didn't just buy my sports car. He's like, I'm gonna get your stuff. So now they're the same, and now they're all happy or lucky for like. Right? But that's how I always judge when I'm adding subtracting fractions. I'm like, always about to keep it up. I want to have exactly the same thing. Right? Common. Okay, then I multiply it through. X squared minus 3x plus 2. Once again, I didn't do that slow for you because we should have distributed right now, right? And then I get plus x squared plus 3x. Any questions on how I have my result on the top? I do not need you to distribute on the bottom. Just leave it as it is. And my reason being is, when I simplify, what does the simplify to be on the top? I have 2x squared plus 2 over x minus 2 X plus 3. Now I can't do anything with that because I pull him out. That's a sum of squares, right? Not going to do anything for us. So there she be. Did I kill you? All right, let's do our homework. That's really kind of where it's at, though. Not too bad. Let's go here. Where do you guys get this? Oh, I thought you were. What did you move up here for, Condier? Oh, what did your father do? In elementary. Nice. Poor soul teaching little kids. I'd shoot myself in the foot. Don't make me do it. My sixth grade teachers were really cool. I had two of them. Adamson and Wagstaff. They gave us A&W root beer all the time. They were really good. What is this factor to be? Have we did this before? If you don't, let's redo it right here. So here, that is a difference of cubes. Okay, we have sum of cubes. That looks like this. Del, wink, wink, hint, hint, know how to do this. I'm telling you right now. This goes into a plus b, a squared minus ab plus b squared. I have a difference of cubes. A minus b, a squared plus ab plus b cubed. I mean b squared. Please make sure you know how to do so. Okay? That pretty much tell you that you need to do that. Nope, because notice, how do I get to a negative b cubed? Negative b times the positive. Does that make sense here? Okay, so using that, let's go back here. How does this go? What's the perfect cube root of x cubed? X, right? What's the perfect cube root of 27? 3. So this is x minus 3. Does that make sense? That's kind of like my a minus b. Into that. So I have x squared plus 3x plus 9. Any questions on how I got that? Okay. Yes, sir. Okay, so once again, if we look over here, it's the opposite of those guys multiplied. So it's the positive of that. So you just always switch the sign. So if it's, for example, if this is 2 and this is 4, this would be negative 8. If this is, just think about this number always being minus, so go a times b and then do the positive of that. To answer your question, Andy? You guys, did we actually do synthetic division to show you that where it comes from? You guys want me to show you that really quick? Here, just if in doubt, even. How many of you guys can at least get this part? I think 95% of you guys can get that part. Do you guys agree with me? Okay, it's this part that you guys forget. When in doubt, what can we do? To divide it out, just do synthetic. So 1, 0, 0, negative 27. Notice, watch. 3, 1, 3, 3, 9, 9, 27. X squared plus 3x plus 9. Does that make sense? Can't remember, do synthetic. Okay? Does that work for everybody? Okay. So what is this guy? Notice he's like, ha, I got a house and a boat. You only have a house. He said, watch this. Is everybody with me? You feeling okay? Saying happy day. So I get 4x squared plus 12x plus 36 plus 5x minus 1, because now they have the common denominator. I'm just adding it all together. Does that make sense to everybody? All over x squared plus 3x plus 9 times x plus minus 3, which comes out to be 4x squared plus 17x plus 35. I don't think that's look. That's 140. Factors of 140 that add to be 17 does not have. Okay. How do we do that? Gregory, you good? Want to toe wrestle? Big toe wrestle? I've been playing all week. Guessing that's a no. Mr. Peck. Is it Greg? No, Alex Peck. Damn it. Darn the man. Fair deal, man. Fair deal. I will let you. Two more examples, people. This one and one more, and I think we might even be done. Oh, happy day. Ooh, that was good. Ooh, I love it. Good. Hi ho, young lady. Thank you. No! Not frost, you dingle. Is that better for you? Rex on. Ah, Paige is silly. All right, so notice this is factors of 8 to give me to 7 are a 1, correct? Everybody see where I got that from? Do you need to factor the other way for anyone? Yes, you want me to? You're good? Cole Harris, what does the left side want? You scumbag. I should kick you in the shenanigans. Did I pop your back at least? Cole Harris. No, but if anybody answers, I will talk yourself with a great like that. What does this side want? Thank you. Now the thing on this one, guys, we got to remember with this negative sign, I'm going to make this a plus and switch both of those because I distribute that negative through. Does that make sense? That's what most people forget. Or, like a sea lion, okay, we could have negative and then just do this in the end. So is that now your new tagline as well, Betsy? Or I could multiply this and just distribute it through again. You guys, does that make sense how what options we have here? Yes, no? Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and distribute top here. I get 2x squared plus 2x minus x, which is plus x minus 1. I get negative x squared minus 4x, excuse me, plus 4x plus x is plus 5x minus 4. All over my common denominator of 2x plus 1, x minus 4, x plus 1. Am I killing anyone today? Good. Hello out there.
No,
They did? That's nice of them. I like to be nice. Guess what I get to do this week on Friday? That's good. I get to be on the chain game. I'm really excited. I have names on my morals. That's why the seminary teachers do it. I'm not, yeah, I'm not a seminary because it's always the seminary teachers. The very first year we were here, I went up to Mr. Rowley, who has been anybody have him as a principal? No? He's been a nice elementary principal. Anyway, I went up to him, I'm like, hey, can I be on the team? He said, oh, we have a tradition here that we always let seminary teachers. This is day number 2 of the school. How is it a tradition? We haven't even had a game yet. Touche. That was a good argument, huh? Can I factor him? Factors of -5 to get me to 6? No. You always want to check to see if there is something that can factor out 8 and reduce down. Okay? Be careful of that. Uh-oh, Paige is her hands feeling the fire. I had to grade the other day, and I don't write very much. Man, you guys are taking a grade. Woo! Thank you a lot. Right for you, Ethan. Oodalolly, golly, what a day. That's a good time right there. Probably. Oh, yes, I did. I went for it every. Don't you? Good boy. What does the left side factor to be? Because I take difference of pairs that go into conjugate pairs. Right? Any questions? What is the right side going to be? Hello out there! Try to be kind to everybody, Nicole, and they just mock me. Hi! I'm working on it. That's my goal. Say hi to people. What is this going to be? Isn't this a different pairs as well? So that goes into 4 plus x and 4 minus x. Are they the same? Almost. Almost, but no. What's this another way I could write this? -x plus 4. You guys agree with that? Mm-hmm. If I pull out a negative, what's left over? Oh, this is now like this, except there's just a negative now. So with this negative right here, can I make this negative and this negative a positive because of those guys? Does that make sense? I just made him a plus now. You want me to go back? Hold on. Let me hit some Control Z in. Okay, Control Z in. Boop, boop, boop. You there? Okay, so let me ask you this question. If I had 4 over 5 minus 6 over -5, what does that do? I can just have this negative to make this into a positive, right? Do you agree with me on that? You see I have this negative down here. So therefore, can I just make this negative a positive? Let's actually just rewrite it really quick. Let's do that just so there's no confusion. Okay, so we have this 3x minus 1 over x minus 4, x plus 4, minus x minus 1 over, isn't x plus 4 the same thing as 4 plus x and x plus 4 the same, right? And then I have the negative, so I'm just going to put him here. Even though he's out in front of this, I can still put him out in front of that, right? Because of times and commutative property. You guys agree with me there? That's all the same thing. Hip, hip, hooray! Super readers save the day. Is that what it is? That's right. Okay, what does that negative and that negative do though? Makes it a positive. So now I can just add this up. What do I get? 2x minus 2 over x plus 4. X minus. Oh, it's 4x. Thank you. Hey, out there again! Did they stop? Oh, too late. I chased my niece the other day. She ran outside too quick. I almost got her at the door, but then she shut it on me. I was giving her a wet willy because she's being sassy. Okay, how'd you guys feel? Ready to rock? We done? I could. That doesn't factor with anything, right? You want to leave it that way? You either A, I think we have about 15 minutes, don't we? Something like that. So either A, here's having fun in school. Okay, so here's some options. A, get on your phone and do your homework. 2, jump over there and start doing some test corrections. Those are good ideas. Go get that break. Go. Homework's online. Huh? Retake 1.